Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's Sylvain here. Welcome to the channel. So on today's video, we're going to talk. I'm going to approach a quick way to use Facebook as a quick sales funnel, or a quick funnel to get some traffic. All right. So if you're new to the channel, thanks again for watching. On this channel, we talk about making money online through affiliate marketing, network marketing, and also do a bunch of product reviews as well. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be reminded of upcoming videos. All right. So on this video, like I said, we're going to touch on Facebook. How you can use your profile as an actual funnel. Yeah, you've heard of a sales funnel before. Done 3-click funnels, Builderall, Kartra, lead pages, you name it, right? But you can, simple way, as you're making contacts on the Facebook, you can actually, create with a picture. I'm going to demonstrate that you can create, generate a bunch of people to click on your link, and then, send to a YouTube channel, sent to a podcast. You could be sent to a sales funnel, to a blog, all that stuff, right? And then this could be pertinent to any business, right? So it could either be a brick and mortar business, you want them to see your products. It could be for affiliate marketing. It could be for your network marketing company and all that, right? So it's really powerful stuff. Just off Facebook. It's free. Just put it out there, and then you'll be amazed how many people click on that, and you get generate some traffic out of that. All right, so let's dive quickly into that. So this is my Facebook here. So let's start. So what I'm talking about here is your actual picture that you're going to be having on your profile. All right, so make sure that. Yeah, it's a pretty funny picture of Elliot here in the background. So yeah, that picture, and then you kind of, with a nice slogan, you invite them to look at your page through, so in this here you click the link in my bio, and then success is within you. You can have a nice slogan, generate so many leads in so much time, so you can tailor that, right? And then that's the link I'm talking about, right? Which, in my case, it takes me to, I've used Linktree to do that. So get started with your online business, accelerate your life, so you can post your Facebook group, YouTube channel, podcasts, access my blog as well. So you can tailor it the way you want. Obviously, there's a paid version of Linktree where you can tailor the back picture, make it your own as well. I think it's $6 or something like that. I'm not using it yet. But yeah, it's certainly an options for you to consider. All right, so let's get out of that. So you're probably wondering, am I making that picture? So edit features. So you can go at the bottom here, and then you would just add a picture. Now, how do you actually do that picture, right? And then just before we do that, so let's say you click even on this picture, right? So make sure you include that link as well on that. So you can have, subscribe to get free affiliate marketing training, and then you go off that web address, and it takes me to, let's say in this case, it takes me to my opt-in funnel. So home, hey, this is me, Sylvain. There's a short video here, and then you can sign up to get content for myself, right? So let's get out of that. So it's a simple way of doing that. So, and then you can drive that to any address that you want, right? So you make it how you like. Now the way I'm doing this picture is through Canva. So I'm going to go in Canva. It's a Facebook post size. So create a design. Facebook post, you would get that done this way. So now I'm going to look through all my designs. It's the same way I showed, I think I've shown that one before using Canva. Or I go on my Canva video. I'll put the link above here, so you can go on that one, figure out how you do it. But essentially, it's pretty simple. You just drag items over. You can select that. You can change that, and that's the way I've actually done it for this one. So you can add backgrounds from this side here. You can even add videos if you want, some music to it, elements of this side. So go on Canva, and that's the way I've actually built this picture. Once you're ready, you can, I think, send it on Facebook, but I actually recommend to just download it on your, keep it in your files. So, if something goes wrong, then the picture is made, and it's going to stay kind of forever in your documents, right? So you can download that. and then put a name to it, and then you can tailor it the way you want, right? So put a picture, put a slogan at the top. You can put it at the bottom. Put the link in the link in my bio above. You know, you can change colors. That's the way you would do it. So that's certainly something you can anyone can do after Facebook, and then you place that in here for invitation for the link here. Again, when clicking on that, make sure you send you include another link in there as well, just in case if they click on that or don't grasp the concept of it. Yeah, that was pretty much it on for the actual profile. Alright, so that was a quick one, so hopefully you liked it. Again, you know, simple ways. Again, you're not driving or paid any advertisement for that, but I mean, as you're connecting with people, they might be interested by what they see on that picture. They'll click on it, send to a link, and then they'll go and check that out. Alright, so hopefully you got some value to this. If you liked it, make sure you like my video, and then again subscribe, and then hit the bell icon to be reminded of upcoming videos, and there will be many more to come. Alright, so thanks for watching, and then we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.